We've always been concerned about the chemicals and contaminants in our water. We're a very active family and we drink a lot of water, so we wanted something, that was safe for us to drink and tasted good as well. We probably drink about 3 gallons of water a day. I even take my water with me throughout the day, and my kids have learned to drink the water as well. They used to hate drinking tap water, but now they love the water from our system. The initial price tag on this filter is why I was stuck with the cheaper filters for so long. But after replacing filters at about $20 and buying bottled water, we eventually swapped over to this system, and it's actually saved us money. We are absolutely satisfied with this system. It's been a total game changer in our house. Everybody loves the water, we're drinking more water, and I would recommend this system to everyone.